Now we have to perform practical of AND gate. So you can see this is a AND gate IC 7408, and this is the truth table of AND gate. So this IC has 4 AND gates with each 2 input for each AND gate and 1 output. The truth table is like this. So as per the truth table, when both inputs A and B are logic 0, output Y is 0. When either of the input is logic 0, then also output is 0, and output is 1 only when both the inputs are at logic 1. Now let us verify this experimentally. We have made the connections. As you can see, the supply voltage must be between 4.5 to 5 volt. So we have set it to 4.8 volt, and now as you can see here, we have connected pin number, we are using the first AND gate and connecting pin number 1 and 2 to the ground, whereas pin number 3 is output is given to LED through the 330 ohm resistor, as you can see here. Now since both input are connected to ground, this is logic 0 condition, and as you can see, output LED is not glowing because now the output is 0 is logic low state. Now you can see that voltage at pin number 3 is low, it is close to 0. It is now, as you can see, it is 0.1622 volt. So now we have connected pin number 1 to ground, which is input A, and pin number 2 we have connected to VCC. As you can see, this wire is connected to VCC, and as it is seen here, the LED is still not glowing. Now we can verify the voltage. The output voltage is still low and LED is not glowing. So now we have changed the input. Now input A is 1 and input B is 0, that is 1-0 condition. As you can see, the LED is still not glowing, and we can verify the output voltage. So it is still low. Now as you can see, both the inputs A and B are connected to VCC, that is logic high, that is input is 1 1, and as you can see now the output LED is glowing. We can verify the voltage corresponding to the output pin number 3. So this output voltage is as you can see is 3.06 volt, which is logic high level or high voltage level. So thus we have verified the AND operation, that is when both input are low, output is low. One of the input is low, that is either 0-1 or 1-0 condition, still the output was low, and now when both input are high, output is high. Thus we have verified the AND operation.